Alright you guys, so we are going to go ahead and jump right into this video. So the braiding pattern that I have is a zigzag pattern. Qui actually came up with this idea because my hair is currently butt length. So with this pattern, it allows me to get to my scalp and oil it if need be. And also my crochets aren't bulky when I do this pattern. Right now I have a total of 9 braids. So if you have really long hair or thick hair, this pattern will be amazing for you. So at the top of my hair, I did decide to do the individuals. I just wanted this hairstyle to be as natural as possible. We are going to use the rubber band method. So just go ahead and divide your hair up into squares. I have a total of 12 twists. And go ahead and get your edge control. I will list down below what edge control I use. This just allows for your base to be sleek and smooth. Okay, so for the tip of the hair, you just go ahead and you separate the curly part from where this end is, and you just literally go in the same direction and you just pull it apart. So here comes the tricky part. So what you are going to do is just take your crochet tool, put it diagonally through your hair, pull your crochet through, and it is going to make a loop. Take one part of the crochet here and pull it through the loop and just make a tie. I did end up double tying mine because my hair is very fine and things just slip out of it so easily. So this just allows for it to be intact and stay there. And go ahead and divide your hair into 2 sections along with the crochet hair, and you're going to want to do a 2-strand twist and just follow the same direction as the original crochet hair is going into. And at the end you will have loose leaf hair. I did not glue my hair at all. I didn't need it, and it did stay for me. Alright you guys, so that is the end of our video. If you guys liked, make sure you comment, rate, and subscribe, and we will see you guys next week.